With all the rain and the so-called atmospheric rivers, you'd think they'd stop. But no. So, Houston, we got a problem. I don't know what the heck happened. Neighbor said water just came shooting out all over the place. I have no clue. Houston, I need some help. Okay, well, I'm just going to ignore that. I already tried to fix it, it didn't work. Hey guys, the so-called atmospheric river is here a day late. Haha, idiots. It's just raining. It's winter. Stupid people pushing the CC agenda. I'm not buying it. Besides, it's probably fake rain.